If you are taking one of the weekly injectable medications like Ozempic, Wegovy, or Mounjaro, and you have got travel plans, you need to do a bit of planning around your injection timings. Let's have a look at this hypothetical scenario where your injection site comes as highlighted on the calendar. You can take your injection 3 days after and 3 days before your planned injection date. So in this scenario, if your injection falls on 7th, you can take it either on 4th or on 10th as the earliest and the latest dates. Let's look at a hypothetical travel scenario. If you're traveling in the week as highlighted in the red box, you're going to miss your injection on 14th. You have an option to take it when you return from travel on 16th, 17th, or 18th, and then resume your weekly injection on the same dates as before. This will not change the day of your injection. Let's look at another scenario. In this case, you are planning to travel in the middle of the week, and this will lead to your injection being missed on 14th. You can take it on 11th, which would be 3 days before, or again immediately as you return. In both these scenarios, you can avoid the need for traveling with your injection. Have a look at a different scenario when you're traveling for longer duration and you might be missing 2 of your injections. In this case, you may need to carry your injections with you so you can take them on the same dates, which would be 21 and 28th, or you might just take one injection on 21 while you're traveling and take the next injection when you return. But if your return is too close to your next planned injection, you can change the day of your injection. If you are planning to travel with your injection, remember that the injection needs to be between 2 to 8 degrees centigrades in the fridge before opening, but after opening the injection, it can be kept at room temperature below 25 degrees for up to 30 to 45 days. If you're traveling, make sure you don't leave your injection in the car. It has to be in your hand luggage. Never leave it in a car which is parked in a parking lot where it could be exposed to extremes of temperature like heat and cold. Make sure you have a travel note or your old prescription note with yourself for customs to provide you clearance. And never book your injectable pen device in your cargo because you don't know how much temperature fluctuations your luggage might face during the travel period. Hopefully, with a bit of planning, you can carry your injection or just avoid carrying it